There, it's Anne-Marie. I thought I'd show you some of the food counting bracelets that I've been working on. There's 3 colored ones there that count actual food groups, and a generic one, as well as a few markers. I've been using these now for a couple of years to monitor what I eat because I learned years ago when I belonged to Weight Watchers that that's what I needed to do. Otherwise, I would just, have some mindless eating there and put on weight. So anyway, it's been working pretty good for me. I'll just explain how I use them here. This first one, the green beads are for non-starchy vegetables. They're pretty well free, and I like to try and use all of these beads, every day if I can. The pink ones are for protein. All of these beads are about 40 calories each, approximately, except for the green and the blue. So the pink ones would be like maybe an ounce of protein. Now the white ones are dairy, and an ounce of full-fat cheese would be 3 of these beads. The red ones are for fruit. Half a banana would be 1. A whole apple would be 2. And then there's berries, which would be 1. The brown ones are for breads, greens, and starchy vegetables. So a piece of bread, like a good-sized piece of bread, would be 3 of those. Half a cup of rice would be 3. The yellow ones are for fat, so a teaspoon of oil would be 1 bead. The orange ones are for optionals. Now these are used when you run out of the other beads or for something that you can't count, such as wine. A couple of those would be a glass of wine. So you don't have to use those every day, but they're there. And the blue ones, of course, is for water. So I put this on in the morning, and after each meal, I move over the beads and put a marker. And so at the end of the day, it's pretty filled up. I'm not finished my day yet, but this is what it's looking like so far. Kind of pretty. Anyway, after dinner, depending upon when I stop eating, but it's usually after dinner, I take the bracelet off, remove the beads, and I put it on the next morning. I do record on my purse calendar how many beads I have each day. It kind of keeps me honest. And anyway, this is working for me. It's not for everybody, but it certainly works for me. So I just thought I'd share it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.